You guys ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Get a jump on that.
It's so hot.
See, the only problem down here, I will have to put time like.
Dude, that thing is sick.
Right?
Gigantic.
Yeah. I can't wait to jump on it. I always give it a
That
little
thing is
test
pretty
run.
substantial. I didn't think it'd be like that thick.
Oh no, this thing is a beast, man. This thing is, you know, they sell them in the round ones. They have different shapes. The rectangular one.
Yeah,
is
my
the
wife, she
most-
does like so much research when she buys anything. She goes nuts.
Oh, this is the most sturdy by far. They're gonna have fun on this. I'll tell you that. You might have fun on this.
I can't wait.
You know?
Trust me, I can't
No,
wait.
absolutely. Yeah. Now I'll get on. I'll make sure it's everything's nice and snug.
Awesome.
But, probably be another, I don't know, 30 minutes.
Take your time.
35
Because I
minutes.
had to work a double today, and I knew it came.
Gotcha.
And if I don't, the kids have been so mad if I didn't put it together today.
Yeah, you know what's
And then
funny?
She found you, thank God. And I'm like, I don't care.
Yeah, get it done.
Get
Yeah, no, there was a lady, she's in, I think, Westwood.
Yeah.
And she texted me last night, or sent us a message last night saying that their trampoline didn't get delivered.
Yeah.
And she's like, yeah, my kids are bummed. I'm so
Yeah.
sorry. I know it's last second. I'm like, you know, it's part of the game.
It took like almost 2 months to say to get it.
Yeah.
We bought it like the beginning of June.
Oh, wow.
Because my kids were dying, like, yeah, there's nothing to
Do.
do.
Yeah,
And I do everything with them. I'm like, bullshit, there's nothing to do. I take you guys
Everywhere, right.
But on nights like I gotta work a lot, you know, I'm like,
Yeah.
so we ordered it, but it was like 2 months backward.
And it's still like that.
Glad we got it.
Yeah, and you know what? The lady, she actually scheduled in a little bit of a buffer.
Yeah.
So she said, I think it's going to arrive within these 4 or 5 days, and it
Yeah.
still didn't show up. So, you know, so you're one of the lucky ones.
Awesome.
You're one of the lucky ones.
That
this
thing looks
thing's really nice.
It looks
This thing's-
legit.
Yeah,
Awesome.
yeah. All right.
All right, I won't bug you, but we're here. Thanks, buddy.
Okay.
See how nice my customers are? And you see why this isn't work to me? I love this because it brings joy to people. It brings excitement to people. Once you look me in my eye, guys, find something that you love to do and that brings you appreciation and allows you to show your skill sets, which will allow people to appreciate you more. So you just heard the gentleman there. He's actually an officer, and man, he was excited, right? He was excited for his kids, and I'm excited too. But again, find something that you love to do and that you're good at it, and it doesn't feel like work. People on the receiving end will appreciate you. And I can show you time and time again instances like this with customers who are like, before it's even done, guys just so excited, all right? So that's my tip for you. Find something that you love to do. I'm gonna get back to doing some assembling. Let's go.